Welcome back, people. How you doing? I hope everything is good with you. I got this third generation Toyota Sienna that will be from 2011 to 2017. I'm going to show you how to replace the wheel bearing assembly in the back. All right. So let's get it. Come on. All right, 14 here. We're gonna remove the that's one. All right. Here. Now remove the caliper. All right. These 14s, same length. Here, I'm gonna remove the slider from the bottom of the caliper bracket. Because I'm gonna lose this, guys. I need some leverage. You'll see. That's why. 17 millimeter for this too. Alright. Sensor right here. Gonna be a 10 millimeter. Remove the rotor. I'm gonna remove the axle nut. This guy right here. You see this? That's the to lock it in place. We're gonna use this type of chisel. Put it there. Hit it with the hammer. It's gonna lift it. Better, right? Okay. Me, I'm gonna use this. I have an adapter for that. Need to get a new gun. Time to remove the sensor, which the 10 millimeter broke. Okay. Now we'll see if we can save the sensor. If we cannot, we're gonna have to replace it. So the way here. Scooch. But if you can, try to save the sensor. I'm gonna tell you how to remove that sensor. With this type of hammer, press on WD-40, wiggle it to the size. Okay, it's not gonna come out right away. Then with a flat screwdriver, what I did was I pushed it all the way here. Then it came this way. I saw a little gap. I put it between the sensor . Put it between the sensor and apply it. Spray WD-40 and come out. Okay, it's dirty, but I'm glad I don't have to buy a new sensor. Be careful with this, alright? If you don't want to spend money for this, getting a new one. But somehow I'm gonna have to find a way to remove that bolt. This thing right here. Alright, anyways. Let me see some. Okay. Right, you see these guys over here? This one. This one. This one right here. This one over here. There's 4 bolts, or four nuts. Let's press on WD-40. Okay. Alright, quick tip. Instead of spinning this so you can reach the nuts one by one, set the wheel bearing assembly like this with a half moon aiming at the center right there, so you can reach now the nuts. 17 millimeter. One, two, three, four. If you don't have this tool, which I got from Amazon, this is to remove the wheel bearing assembly. It helps. It's like $40 or something. I'll put it in the link. I'll put the link in the description or in the product section. Do it with me. Why not? Use the washers. You never know. Just hold it in place though. Okay. So there's 2 options here. Or I just hit it with the hammer, or I use this tool. But if I want to use this tool, I'm gonna have to seems that I'm gonna have to remove the shoes. The shoes are not my problem though. It's just that I don't want to take another 5 minutes doing the shoes. We'll see. You know what? That should work. I see now. Because I don't want to bend the plate here, because it's going to touch the plate. So I'm just going to use this right here. Okay.
When you're ready, you can stop.
Here, putting it back. Whole thing's coming up. Careful with the line. Hit it there, 10 millimeter, right here. Right, so I don't F around with the line. I'm gonna lose it here. Lose it here, lose it here. But at least just here, we'll see, we'll see. WD-40, 10 millimeter here. At least it didn't break.
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
So, here, let me show you here. The bearing over here, you're gonna have to hit it. Like that, What I wanna do is, I wanna put some WD-40. Going back tomorrow and finish it. I'll let the WD-40 do its job. So by the time I come back in here with the hammer, it's gonna pop out right away. I'm gonna leave it hanging. Put it back here. Right there. Pretty much.
This side. Hold on. I think this side.